Hello viewers, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can change the DP of your Gmail account. First of all, open Google Chrome. Now search here Google Accounts. Now click on Google account. Now sign in your profile. Now click on the circle here, you can see a camera option. Click on it. You can drag a profile photo here, or you can click on the option here. Select the image you want to upload. Now crop the image if you want. You can also add a caption here and click on set as profile photo. Now you can see here your profile photo has changed here. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates.